Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most powerful, innovative, and versatile Excel tools out there. We really appreciate you watching this video. We've been building Excel tools for the last 16 years. Our story kind of started with wanting to improve some of our processes, specifically my wife's process of looking up driving distance calculators. There was a time, for those who are not familiar with the story, there was a time where she had to do over 2,000 of those calculations, and her plan was for that to take her about a whole week, and I was able to build something for her that was able to take that week's worth of work and condense it to about an hour or less than an hour. And again, my goal's always been to build these tools that save people time, save people obviously money, remove human error, and do the specific task exceptionally well. And today is no different. I want to, as every week, try to go over a few tools that we've built. During this time, we've had over 4,000 really happy customers. We've got some amazing reviews of people that say, "Hey, Vinny, you've saved us all this time." And again, today's tool that I'm going to go over with is a altitude generator, a tool that will take addresses or cities and convert them to altitudes, and that can be used for different purposes. Let me kind of show you how this works. As all of my tools, it's built in Excel. There is nothing to install. Once you download my tool, the download link will be in the description of this video, and you'll be able to open the file, the Excel file, and you can use a lot of the functionalities that Excel has. Probably the most important one, copying and pasting. So let me kind of show you how it works. First, we would copy and paste our list of cities or addresses or zip codes in this case. As you can see, there's a plethora of different mix here between full addresses to cities to to zip codes. And once you do that, then all you got to do is click on the conveniently located generate button, and the tool will convert each one of those addresses to their corresponding altitude. One thing I forgot to mention, we've got a settings tab here, and we can choose between feet or meters for our European friends. In this case, let me just kind of convert this to meter. The previous run was in feet. We can kind of convert those altitudes into meters, and kind of depending on what you're looking for. So it really should be as simple as that. Feel free to download the tool in the link in the description. Leave me a note. My phone number and my email is in the description there. I'd love to hear from you. If there is something that I can build that will make your life just a little bit easier, let me know. Feel free to call or email. Yes, I do answer the phone. And again, thank you for watching, and until next time.